Hello, Sir Daniel Agustinus. So I'm Kinitan. Now I'm going to present about the research methodology with the title that I chose about research factor in social media influence product purchase on online shop. Okay, for the next slide. The background. In this session of globalization, lifestyle Indonesian culture is consistently advancing. Distinctive shopping design are changed by Indonesian people, starting from 12 p.m. shopping until what's moving right now is shopping to the electronic business or what is consistently called an online shop. With the progressively more used webs, electronic exchange online business is done by association with various sites. For the problem limitation, with the objective that the limitation of the issue in this assessment doesn't spread. The subject matter aspect combine the issue in this assessment specificity. Like this assessment discuss what trust and decision customer purchase from online electronic media, and the respondents listed in this assessment are how electronic media factors have affected teen purchase on the web. For the problem limitation, taking into account of the advantages offered, the issue is point by point in the assessment are, is there an effect on purchasing decision from online electronic media has been done by, or is there an effect of trust on purchasing decision from electronic media online? For the objective of the research, from the decision, the issue above, is the inspiration driving electronic assessment are, like how to see the effect of purchasing decision online through the electronic media, how to see the effect of trust on the decision online purchase through electronic media. For the next slide, benefit of the research. From the eventual customer of the investigation is dependent upon the offer benefit to makers and related social event, even the upside of this investigation and according to the common following, like the theoretical use, like the benefit assessment are needed to be composing for improvement of science, similar as the technique to getting data and related knowledge with the issue being questionnaires can be used as support in making overall or improving business education. For the practical livelihoods, it's like educationally for bleeding edge researcher of the and for the general population. For the chapter 2, literature review and hypothesis development. Start from the theoretical background. Hypothesis premise is a hypothesis that the creator take from a few source liberties and different source in the composition of this theory, work as a hypothetical premise to fortify the exploration, conversation, and furthermore be reference template for analysis. Like we know from the online media history, like kind of online business or online business and the history of online business, the advances is like the displacement social or authority cycle. The trust is like the significance of trust. The solace is like the significance of solace of pointer. Nature of information is like getting information, and the last is the purchase decision. It's like the purchase led is the assessment of individuals. For the next slide, the previous research assessment by Petra Surya Megawijaya, School of North Sumatra, 2020, in his assessments using things cost, headway, effectiveness, and trust as a free factor and interest online as a dependent variable. This assessment uses simulation different between with the delay consequence of confidence not affect interest by on the web, while trust influence buying interest online. For the hypothesis development, hypothesis testing intend to do whether or not the website is correct or specific is inherent the relationship linearity between purchase interest factor with online media factor, like the test result back assessment acknowledge rigid increment can be found is given with this table. Like we can know A pointer variable X and B subordinate variable Y. And for the result is the table above require the theory is according to the accompanying. It's not is there is no effect by means of electronic media presented by interest at the University Pelita Harapan. For the S, what is there is an effect electronic media on interest by customer at University Pelita Harapan. Okay, for the next slide is the research model. I think this technique utilized in this examination is direct relapse and investigation expressive in view of the issue under examination, as far as possible extension to the factor of online media on by expression by student for potential management as in University Pelita Harapan. The framework of thinking. In this assessment, an arrangement of thought can be made. They can be justifications. This investigation which is the end can it is known like which variable is the most standard in influence online purchase decision. I think the investigation factor I use in the investigation is the decision as a variable subordinate. Okay, now is the chapter 3, the research methodology. The research design. We can know the theoretical system in this examination. We make a diagram model so it's straightforward as a follow: interest by indicator and social media indicator. This from the interest by indicator go to the social media indicator. For the population example, population is the space of a nation which composed of the both item and the subject have certain characteristics and the qualities controlled by the scientist to consider, and at the point is the determination and the sample of the quantity of tests can be decided utilizing a technique including utilizing the sloping equation is the initial step figure of the adaptation to non-critical value. Limit this mistake excellence limit is indicated by rate. And the data collection method. Data collection method consider the issue, consider the max limit and the argumentation just to affect online media on buyer buying interest Pelita Harapan School under study, particularly at the start of organization study program received. For the operational variable, this examination utilizes two variables in particular of the free factor autonomous variable and the subordinate variable. They have the free factor is online media X and the alien variable is Y, goal is Y. Okay, for the data analysis method, from the test, the legitimacy test is intended to rest regardless of whether everything of the inquiry is valid as uncover a factor of pointer who need to be investigated. If for the unvariant quality test, unvariant quality test means to rest regardless of whether the fault were dispersed to responder are totally dependent and estimate device. For the theory testing, in this examination specifically by utilizing relapse investigation or basic relapse examination is direct relapse investigation with the quantity of factor just one impact. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.